Enhancing audio quality in Adobe Premiere Pro. How to make audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro. Drag the video or audio file onto the timeline below. Click on your video or audio file and then go to Effects and then type in Bass, Treble, and Hard Limiter. Before we make any adjustments, this is the before.
This is a test for enhancing audio quality in Adobe Premiere Pro, or how to make the audio sound better.
Not bad. Click on the audio or the video file, click Effects Control, scroll down and adjust the bass to your design preference. In this case, we're using 5 decibels and 10 decibels for the treble effect. And under the hard limiter, click Edit. And under the first maximum amplitude, or this setting right here, drag this to -5. Highlight the clip and adjust the audio and make this 10 decibels. And this is the after.
This is a test for enhancing audio quality in Adobe Premiere Pro, or how to make the audio sound better.
Notice the difference? Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, check out the playlists down below, subscribe or follow the channel, and I'm out. Peace.